Now if you look at this if-else-if statement compared to the switch statement, all we're doing is comparing one variable to one value. So here's a switch statement, one variable to one value. But what makes the switch statement especially handy is we can compare to multiple values. Like this. So what we're saying here is x, if it matches 1, 10, or 100, then it's going to print this. So let's go ahead and change this value of x to 100 and run our code, and you'll see that it does indeed print this statement. Now if we wanted to do that with an if statement, this is what we'd have to do. We'd have to say if x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 100, then run this code. And now if we run this, you'll see that it will print this and this. And so you can see that the switch statement is much shorter and cleaner, because here we're just matching multiple values separated by a comma, but with the if statement we have to put each Boolean expression in a separate group and separate it with the OR statement, so it's much clumsier and harder to write. And it's also not as easy to understand what's going on, while here with the switch statement we're just saying if x is equal to 1, 10, or 100, then run this code. While with the if-else-if statement we have to check this Boolean expression, then this one, and if any of these are true, then it runs this statement. So you can see that the switch statement is much easier and cleaner to match multiple values.